Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what the AI needs: a clear schema and a handful of example questions. Once done, craft a prompt template that includes table names, column types, and one example input right arrow SQL pair. Make sure to set the model parameters for low creativity so you get valid SQL, 00. 3 temperature is a good default. Then run a short test prompt against a local sandbox, or explain the desired output format so the model produces parsable rows rather than prose. Now you iterate. Feed the model a progressively richer prompt that includes constraints and expected edge cases. Break complicated asks into numbered steps and ask the AI to output SQL for each step. This reduces logic errors. Make sure to include explicit join keys, null treatment, and typecasts so the SQL matches your engine. Once the model returns SQL, run it with explain or on a limited dataset to verify performance and correctness before applying it to production table. To finish, you wrap the generated SQL with safety checks, a dry run, a limit clause, or a transaction that you can roll back. Once verified, add small unit queries that exercise edge cases like nulls and duplicates so you catch subtle bugs. If the SQL fails or is inefficient, simplify the prompt, provide a failing example as negative context, and reduce temperature. If needed, ask the model to explain its join logic step by step. This troubleshooting approach quickly isolates and fixes errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.